So these are the items that we're going to use to get the job done. We don't want to flood the entire house, so we're going to have to turn off the main water shutoff valve. We use the hacksaw to remove the pipe cap, and we saw until we just take it off. Now this is a threaded elbow, threaded PVC elbow. That part is the threaded end of the PVC elbow, and that end is placed onto the PVC pipe just like that. The other end is connected to the pipe cock. Now we're going to use a threaded tape. This threaded tape is applied to all parts of the threaded end that goes into the threaded elbow. I'm going to put this on all parts, about 3 layers. We'll go over this 3 times, that's 1. We'll go over it 2 more times until we are finished. Goes into the threaded part just like that. Now we use our gloves and our wet dry PVC cement. The adhesive is placed in both the not the threaded part of the threaded elbow, but the smooth part of the PVC elbow. We wipe it inside. That's the female part of the PVC elbow. We put just enough, so we have enough adhesive, and I also put it on the PVC pipe as well, just like that. Can't be too much. Now we're going to place this, not the threaded part but the smooth part, onto the PVC pipe. We apply some amount of pressure as well for about a minute or 2, and that's how we screw in the pipe cock with the threaded tape. We carefully do it so we don't break the pipe cock. We apply the threaded tape onto the mouth of the pipe cock, about 3 layers as well. And we put on the end just like that, screw it on. But sadly, you're gonna see what happened. This wasn't the right fit any at all. We turn on the main pipe valve, that's on. There's a leakage, so we tried another way to see if we can tighten that hose. However, we had to use another pipe cock which was compatible with our hose, and this proved to be successful because there was no further leaking and we got to fill our washing machine. Please like and subscribe if you have found this video to be very helpful.